The XT Orange manual wrapping system consists of a lightweight film dispenser, an app that helps you with the loading and stabilization of your pallet, and the XT Orange high-performance film. There are 3 types of film available: basic, heavy-duty, and black film. For every pallet type, there is a perfect type of film. Switch the control knob on the top to the correct position for the type of pallet you want to wrap. Placing the roll in the dispenser is very easy. Place the roll at the top of the black cap, pull the knob on top upwards, put the roll in position and release the knob. Always place the roll with the orange color facing up. Lastly, feed the film through the 2 rollers at the front. To begin wrapping, attach the end of the film to a corner between 2 boxes at the top. Start walking forward and wrap 2 layers round the top. Continue wrapping and lower a bit every time so that the film overlaps the previous layer by about 20 centimeters. Wrap the bottom in 2 more layers for extra stability. If the pallet load exceeds 600 kilos, add 1 more rotation of film to the pallet for more stability.